Hello for everyone. Hello. Today I am going to share with you some information about how can we use Kali Linux in data analysis. First of all, analyzing data, even the file is CSV, Excel, or TXT, we use frequently another environment. For example, we use Google Colab, we use a Spider, we use Jupyter Notebook. But in this time, I'm going to show you how can we use Kali Linux in data analysis. Um, uh, the Kali Linux, it's frequently used on cybersecurity, but you can also use it in data analysis. So there is the folders of the system here, home, and when we click on home, we get all the files of the system. But when we want to do some analysis, we have to create a folder here and other folder, and in this folder we have also to create another file. So how can we do that? Let's take a look, for example, for our design. We have desktop, document, downloads, music, and template and videos. Okay, now I want to create to make directory or to create directory on downloads I'm sorry, on desktop. For example, he said to me you have 7 directory with direct file. So we when we want to create it, I have to enter on desktop. I'm sorry, it must be capital. I'm sorry, desktop. Okay. Now, I want to make directory. That's the function. We should use it to make directory and just to add the name of directory. Okay. Well, now we have a test folder or test directory. It's a new test located on desktop. When we get tree, I'm sorry. Let's. Let's have the design now. So we have desktop, and on desktop we have a folder which name is test. So let's enter on desktop in not desktop. Okay, and go on test file. Now, in this step, I'm going to create a file .py because I'm going to use Python code to explore the file. So, in this time, I'm going to use the function touch. Okay, I'm sorry, touch, and just say the name of my file and the correct extension lunix.py. Okay. Uh, Now, if I want to get my tree, I have this design desktop. There is on desktop a file which name is test, and there is another file which name is .py. That's the first step. What's the second step? The second step is to bring or to carry another file here with the file we need to explore it or to make the exploration or the analysis of it. So to do that, I have already prepared some file. That's my file. Okay. I'm going to return back to make the task more clear. I have uploaded a file, macro CSV. This file is combined. It's about macroeconomic. It's combined with 4 variables, as you see here: the GDP growth, inflation, employment rate, and interest rate. When you upload it in Google Drive, just you have to share the link, copy the link, and to return back to your file. Okay. To do that, I have to use the browser here off and to paste my file and in the Google Drive and just waiting for me a few minutes. Yes, That's it, macro.csv. It's already uploaded in my download. We have to wait just for seconds, and we get our file here with four variables and observation. If we be when we be sure that it's correct file, you have that to download it, to download it. Okay. Okay. Now, when we go to download, we have our files here. So here, it doesn't work if you let your macro.csv as CSV file on download. You can't run Python code. The problem now is how can we carry this macro.csv and put it on test.py. So to do that, we have to use the function move and to define the downloads and define the correct name, macro CSV, and to ask to be carried desk to desktop. Sorry, and give the name of the folder. So I'm going to explain the code. I ask to Kali to move from download the file which name is macro.csv and put it in desktop on folder which name is test. When I click, it disappear from download, and when I okay, I'm going to clear all of this. That's the new design. We have on desktop a folder which name is test, and under the folder there is two files. The name is one, it's lunix.py, and the second one is macro.csv. So now I have to enter another again and on test. Now I'm going to open lunix.py. Be sure, okay, okay. Let's speak about the third function we use it today. It's open. Open, that means you open the file that you want to write the code. So I have to import. If I'm in Python file, you can use cost Python import. The first one is pandas as PD. Okay, you can you can also import numpy as MP. Also, you can import if you want to make some charts, mat lib.py plot as PLT. If you don't use if you don't need to chart anything, you just drop it. Okay. In the second step, I'm going to define my file, and to read. Okay. I have to design the nature of my file, macro.csv. I'm sorry. Also, I ask him to give me output df.head. Okay. Okay. Before you run the code, don't forget to save the code. That's the first step. Save the code, and in the second step, and on second on the other side, be sure that you are in the same file, desktop.test, and you have to run your code now. Oh, sorry. And give the name of your code. There is a little thing I have to talk with it. If you don't have a Python in your Linux, you have to use pip install to install it. Now, waiting, he's running the file. Okay, what's the problem? What's the problem? Import SPLT. Import matplotlib.pyplot by plot. No, I don't this. No, I don't this one. Python. Lunix.py. What's the problem? matplotlib.pyplot SPLT. It's not necessary. Okay. Okay. To make it more clear, I'm going to repeat it here. Link.py. Okay. That's the results of our file. Let doing some separation here. Okay, and let also add another output about the description df dot describe. Okay, don't forget to save. And I'm going to clean all of this and just typing the name of my file. What's the problem? Cannot find. No, not okay. Yes, because I do mistakes here. Okay, okay, no problem. Be careful when you use the codes because it's very necessary. FDDF, I always make the same problem. Don't make mistakes when you writing your Python. I'm sorry, but it's not necessary. It's not a big problem. Okay. Yes, that's it. That's it. The first output is about my file. We have the four variables here: growth, GDP, inflation rate, employment rate, and intent to rate. The second output is about the descriptive statistic of my files: count, mean, and standard deviation, maximum and minimum. So that's the way. How can we use Linux in data analysis and to explore many files, .csv, .txt, .excel, and like this. So that's all for today. It's a short video and it's a small video. I'm sorry about my language. My language is not strong. I'm trying to improve it. And thank you so much. If you have any comment about my language or about the information, it's okay to send it. If I can answer it, I will do it. Thank you so much and goodbye.